by making it default to white. And we'll fix the height thing by setting it to have a minimum height of 2 EM. That's a win. So we want the select element to keep its white background, but when it's doing that, it's not getting the same min height as the input and text area elements. So we need to move the min height property that all of the types have that value. Select still as a white background. Up into there. That seems like a good pick to me. Let's see if that did it. Yep, that was exactly what we were looking for. Now, we need to style our submit button, which is going to introduce us to a concept that is very useful and I don't make use of nearly as much as I should, called an attribute selector, where you can select something based on the attributes present in that element. It's another very handy use for attributes, to have them there if you want to change a specific element based on if an attribute is present on it or not. So you can change certain things with that little caveat using JavaScript, but more on that another time. I just think it's neat. The problem is, now, as was the case before, the checkbox for terms and conditions is entirely shafted. And we want to use the same technique we used for the form to send to the submit button. So let's scroll up and have a look again. The margin zero auto technique, I believe. Yes, indeed. Now, though, we need to make the submit button look more in line with the rest of them. So it can have a height of 2 EM, like the rest. And I forgot to increase the font size. Let's fix that. Though with the height, to be honest, Under most circumstances, I would want to just do that all in one place for everything, to avoid repetitive code, but here I'll just do it in the new area. It'll be fine under these particular circumstances. Now time to make that button more distinct. Background color and border color. Three B, 4F. I hate that, how it insists that I use the specific keyword white. My hex code is the same as white, and white is white to my mind, so why should it matter? Whatever. I'll do what they want. Separate the button from the field set above it. And adjust the width. So I'll start with the width. Min width of 300 pixels. And set the margin to 1 EM and auto. Trying to adjust the margin when I already have a margin present. Let's fix that. That did it. Now we need to make some more tweaks. The file input is smaller than the other inputs, so we need to modify some stuff so that's not the case anymore. Attribute select this one. And that did the trick. Now, are we going to do something about the terms and conditions checkbox, is my question. Yes, we are. Inline class can be added. That, and it's the correct size and in line with the text again. Excellent. Lastly, change the text color terms and conditions link element to be better, essentially. Let's just go back to this and check what it is. For label for terms and conditions. Let's see. Like this. And change the color to be that. I had to specifically do it for the anchor tag, otherwise it did not want to play ball. But with that, we are done with this registration form. Now just let FreeCodeCamp ask for money one more time. You'll get it from me eventually, guys. Don't worry, just not right now. Alright, and with that done, we've actually reached the point where we can do one of the certification projects. And I'm not going to do it this time, because that's going to be a whole only video or two of its own right. I have a version of this that I did on my own way back, but my version was not very good, so I am going to build this project on camera as part of this video series, but I'm going to do it in my own personal IDE. That's Integrated Development Environment, if you weren't aware. I'm going to do it in there rather than in FreeCodeCamp's online thing, so when I do that, you'll get to see my personal setup for coding for the first times, and I'm sure some of you will enjoy that immensely. So you'll get to critique how I set things up. And they give us some basic stuff for what you should do for the whole thing, and I'm just sort of gonna wing it and see how it ends up, because you also get given this demo right here as a thing to aim towards in general, so thanks for watching, everyone. This is where we'll end it for this episode, and we'll pick up next time with this survey form demo project. So I hope you'll join me for that. If you've enjoyed this, then please like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures into the world of programming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you then, folks. See you then. Bye for now.